Top headlines for the day.
Salman Khan has sent the internet into a meltdown by giving us sweetest treat by releasing the second track Naach Meri Jaan from Tube Light album. After grooving us with the already popular number Sajam Radio, the new soulful song is now set to celebrate bhaihood, and just like Salman and Sohail's brotherly bond, the song is beautiful. We are sure we're gonna hear this song on loop now. This new song is a lively number which is talking about brotherhood between the innocent brothers Salman and Sohail Khan, who are also grooving on this foot-tapping music. Seeing the duo happily dancing with each other, Salman and Sohail's brotherly bond are seriously giving us some brother goals. Don't you think so? The composer has certainly hit the right notes with the first song, and the looks like now this one will too strike an emotional chord with the fans. So, did you like the song? Do share your thoughts in the comment section below.
Salman Khan is always known to enjoy the company of kids, and yesterday when Salman met a bunch of kids from an NGO in Bandra, the energy in the air was infectious. Salman was seen teaching them the signature step of a song from his upcoming release. Now, talking about Tube Light, the trailers and the songs of the film are getting a humongous response around the globe, and everyone is waiting with bated breath for its release. Aapko bata dein, Tube Light is slated to release on 23rd of June, so the countdown has begun. Now, coming back to the picture, Salman Khan's smile and the way he is interacting with these kids is making the moment captured in this picture so precious. Hannah, so what's your take on this? Do let us know and share your views in the comment section below. And for your daily dose of masala updates, stay tuned to Bollywood Spy.
We have usually seen Salman Khan more of an action and macho hero, be it Dabangg or Kick or Sultan. It was Bajrangi Bhaijaan that changed our perspective towards Salman Khan and proved that he could be a softie on screen. His act in Bajrangi Bhaijaan did bring out tears, and we are sure Tube Light will be no less. Usually while emoting any emotional scene on screen, actors usually use glycerine, but well, that was not the case with Salman Khan. Well, during the shoot of Tube Light, Salman Khan did not use glycerine to cry. Be it Bajrangi Bhaijaan or Tube Light, he has always been a natural actor when it comes to crying on screen. In fact, director Kabir Khan said in Coffee with Karan 5 that Salman can cry at the drop of hat. Now that's talent, I must say. Salman is truly a gem of person. Hannah, what do you have to say about this? Do tell us your views in the comment section below.
Salman Khan chooses Sunil Grover's show and not Kapil Sharma's. Well, it is a known fact that Sunil left the Kapil Sharma show after the mid-air fracas with Kapil, and with that he is now all set to return to TV for a new show with his Kapil's ex-teammates Ali Asgar and Chandan Prabhakar, and the first guest to grace the show is none other than Salman Khan. We heard that Salman Khan will come to Sunil Grover's show to promote his upcoming film Tube Light. Salman is planning to have a 1-hour special episode for Tube Light. Interestingly, this special episode will also have Sugandha Mishra and Dr. Sanket Bhosle. Also, the promo for the episode has been shot, but surprisingly, on what channel Grover's show will air has not been revealed yet. Nonetheless, this is indeed a loss for Kapil Sharma, as Salman has always been a regular star to visit his show. What do you guys think? Do let us know in the comment section below. After the buzz of Salman Khan starring in a Remo D'Souza father-daughter film, here we are with yet another exciting news. Oh yes, the rumors suggest that Salman Khan and Jacqueline Fernandez will be seen sharing screen space in Remo D'Souza's ABCD 3. Well, after seeing their sizzling chemistry in Kick, it will be a complete treat to see them once again in another project. Aapko bata dein, these days Salman is busy with the promotion of his upcoming release Tube Light and the shooting of Tiger Zinda Hai. Once he completes all his present commitments, then only he can think about ABCD 3. Though it's yet not confirmed whether Salman has given his nod for the project or not. But if Bhaijaan agrees, then this would be the first time when Salman will be seen doing a dance-oriented film. So what's your take on this? Do let us know and share your views in the comment section below. And for your daily dose of Bollywood masala, stay tuned to Bollywood Spy.
After promoting Tube Light in the reality shows like India Banega Manch and Chote Miyan Dhakad, Salman Khan's promotional train has now halted at the singing reality show called Saregama Pa Little Champs. Knowing how much Salman Khan loved kids, he decided to promote his highly talked about film Tube Light on this popular singing reality show along with his bhai Sohail Khan. Since we all know that Salman has a special connect with kids, we are sure Salman is going to have a gala time with the kids on the set of the show. Recently, a few pictures of Salman with the kids were doing the rounds, where the actor is seen spending a quality time with the participants while enjoying their performances. He even sang with the kids and the judges since he loves music too. Salman even posed with all the kids for a group selfie and it looks adorable. Are you guys excited to watch Salman Khan and Sohail Khan in the upcoming episode?
Prabhas has become a global sensation courtesy Bahubali. After showcasing the royal kingly Amarendra Bahubali, the handsome hunk is all set to showcase a no-nonsense badass look who you would not want to mess up with in his much talked about film Saaho. With casting, the makers of Saaho wanted a Bollywood actress opposite Prabhas. There were rumors that Katrina Kaif was approached for the part, but when that did not work out, the makers have now roped in Pooja Hegde for the film. Yes, if rumors are anything to go by, the makers are planning to cast Mohenjo-daro actress Pooja Hegde, who has acted in a few movies down south, for Saaho. If she agrees to do Saaho, it would be quite a big-ticket project for her, plus who will refuse to work with Prabhas? For now, Prabhas is in the US and once he returns, a final announcement will be made. Till then, we have to wait and watch. But do you want to see Pooja opposite Prabhas? Do comment below.
हम सब ट्यूबलाइट की स्टार कास्ट से तो वाकिफ ही हैं। फिल्म में अच्छे एक्टर्स की भरमार है और हर एक्टर फिल्म में एक इम्पोर्टेंट रोल प्ले करते हुए नजर आएगा। पर क्या आप सबको उन एक्टर्स की रियल एज पता है? आइए हम आपको बताते हैं। फिल्म के लीड एक्टर यानी सलमान खान ने 27 दिसंबर 1965 को जन्म लिया था और फिलहाल वो 51 इयर्स के हैं। चाइनीज एक्टर जूजू का जन्म 19 जुलाई 1984 को हुआ था और वो अभी 32 इयर्स की है। इसके बाद आते हैं लेट ओमपुरी साहब, जिनकी उम्र 66 इयर्स थी। हाल ही में इनका निधन हुआ है। सोहेल खान ये फिलहाल 47 इयर्स के हैं और इनका जन्म हुआ था 28 दिसंबर 1969 को। एक और एक्टर हैं साहिल मेहता। ये 4 अप्रैल 1988 को जन्मे थे और ये 29 इयर्स के हैं। फिर है मोहम्मद ज़ीशान अयूब, जो कि 32 इयर्स के हैं। अगले एक्टर की बात करें तो वो है यशपाल शर्मा, जो कि 1 जनवरी 1967 को पैदा हुए थे और अब 50 इयर्स के हो चुके हैं। फिल्म में कैमियो रोल करने वाली शाहरुख खान का जन्म हुआ था 2 नवंबर 1965 को और फिलहाल वो 51 इयर्स के हैं। फिल्म के डायरेक्टर यानी कबीर खान की बात करें तो उनकी उम्र है 46 इयर्स। तो दोस्तों, अपने फेवरेट एक्टर की उम्र देखकर हो गए ना हैरान।
It is a well-established fact that Salman Khan dominates Eid every year, be it Kick, Bajrangi Bhaijaan, Sultan or the latest Tube Light. No one even dares to share the screens with the undisputed Sultan. But then came a twist when it was reported that Hollywood mega film Transformers: The Last Night will clash with Tube Light on 23rd of June. But now it looks like even the makers of Transformers have understood the consequences and are not taking any panga with Salman's Tube Light, and hence they have now pushed the release date. Yep. According to sources, Transformers: The Last Night will now release on June 30th instead of 23rd and will not clash with Salman Khan's Tube Light. Even though Salman Khan's popularity is nothing compared to Transformers in India, There will be sufficient interest in the action movie as well. However, considering there will be no clash now, the business of Tube Light will not be affected anymore. So what do you have to say about this? Do comment below. Hey guys, we have a very exciting news for all Salman Khan fans because now we will see Salman in Judwaa 2. अब आप सोचेंगे वो तो पता था. Then let us tell you that we will get to see not one but two Salman Khans. Yes, well earlier there was a buzz about Salman Khan making a special appearance in one of the two chartbusters from the first installment, Unchi Hai Building and Tan Tana Tan. But now if gossip khabron ki maane, to Salman Khan will be seen in a dual role as Raja and Prem in Varun Dhawan starrer Judwaa 2. A well-placed source informed to a leading daily that Salman will appear as both Raja and Prem, his twin characters from the film who have aged by 20 years. His Judwaa will come face-to-face with Varun's double role, possibly bantering in the climax scene. Damn, now this is just icing on the cake, hai na? We are curious to know more now. What about you? Do comment below.
Ace comedian Kapil Sharma has been hospitalized. It seems like work pressure and stress is taking its toll on Kapil. Well, today the Ace comedian was admitted to a hospital in Andheri at 4 p.m. after he complained of uneasiness. Aapko bata de, the comedian had low blood pressure. Though he is stable now but is yet to be discharged by the hospital authorities. For last couple of months, Kapil has been busy shooting for Kapil Sharma show and his upcoming film Firangi. Moreover, times have been quite stressful for him recently after his mid-air spat with Sunil. Well, we wish Kapil a speedy recovery. If you also wanna wish the Ace comedian, you can drop your get well soon messages in the comment section below.